Hi everybody, I am Massimo. I bought the Tamiya Monster Beetle back in 1986 when I was just a teenager, and although I love it dearly, I didn't play with it very much. Now, at 52 years old, I've decided to restore it, upgrade it with new aluminum parts to make it lighter, replace the motor and battery, and while I was at it, modify the famous Monster Beetle driver, Albert Attaboy. In this video, I'll first show you how I modified the driver, turning him into someone who looks like me, transforming him into a 52 years old man with a lass, a white beard, and give him some personalized touches. I'll then show you how I customized the car body, changing the original color and adding some custom decals to make it even more unique. I'll showcase the addition of the aluminum upgrades, and finally we'll wrap up the video with an actual test drive just for some fun. So let's get started. First up, Albert Attaboy. To create the custom decals, I imported a side photo of the car body into Adobe Illustrator. I then scaled it to a 1:1 ratio and began designing the decals. Specifically, I focused on the creating hot rod flames, carefully adapting them to the curve of the fender and other elements to avoid unsightly overlaps. Once the design was complete, I prepared the final print file, consisting of 3 PDFs, one for the color, one for the white background layer, and the last one for the die cutting. Of course, all 3 files were perfectly aligned with each other. Okay, let's have a look to the aluminum mods. Let's start with the front bumper, rear bumper, step rail, battery holder, oil shock absorber, rear suspension bracket that I had to cut, rear arm support suspension, rear suspension arm, rear wheel hub adapter, then the motor, the RS540 Sport tuned motor, the motor heat sink with no fan because that fan was not required in this model, the motor mount bracket plate, this one, and the motor cover, this one. As you can see, I painted the body in glossy black and yellow over the previous Italian red. Then I applied the decals we discussed earlier. To complete and protect the finish, I applied a coat of glossy clear varnish. Okay, we're ready for the test. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please thumbs up and see you the next time. Bye.